this video, we'll talk about the buried horizontal dermal suture. This technique takes tension off the skin by placing stitches in a horizontal plane within the dermis, just beneath the skin. It is especially useful for wounds with unequal edge lengths. It helps avert the wound edges, supports a better cosmetic result, and reduces the need for additional skin sutures. Let's get started. Our wound looks like this: skin and subcutaneous tissue. We start with the same bite depth and bite width. Parallel to the skin, we pass beneath it and exit with the needle on the opposite side. Since we're using a braided suture, we again leave some extra thread, more than usual. Otherwise, if you pull on a braided suture after multiple passes, there's an increased chance you'll damage the tissue. Now, from the opposite side, we enter on the same horizontal plane, carefully respect the tissue, and exit at the same distance. We rotate the needle holder again to pick up the needle and take up the excess suture. Now we're at the knot tying stage. The short end is again in front of the long one. Okay, we have tied the first row, not too tight, just snug and neat. Now there's just one single knot in place. We fully complete the knot with 2 additional half hitches here. That fully completes our horizontal deep dermal suture for this technique. Now we'll discuss the simple interrupted skin suture. It's likely the most basic and most commonly used suturing technique, one that virtually every healthcare professional should know well and feel comfortable performing.